Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey to the heart of the tropics, exploring the vibrant world of exotic plants. From towering banana trees to delicate orchids, we will uncover the secrets to cultivating these botanical wonders. Join me as we transform your living spaces into verdant tropical paradises. Our first expedition brings us face to face with the banana tree, a botanical giant that evokes images of lush rainforests. These trees are not only beautiful but also incredibly versatile. Cultivating these verdant wonders at home is achievable, even in cooler climates. With the right care, you can enjoy the tropical feel in your own backyard. The key to a thriving banana tree lies in rich, well-draining soil, ample sunlight, and consistent moisture. Regular watering and feeding will ensure your tree remains healthy and productive. Container gardening allows you to move your banana tree indoors during colder months. This flexibility makes it possible to grow bananas even in regions with harsh winters. Imagine harvesting your own homegrown bananas, fresh and ripe from the tree, their sweet aroma filling your kitchen. The satisfaction of growing your own fruit is unparalleled. With patience and care, this dream can become a reality. Embrace the journey of growing your own banana tree and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Our journey continues with the bird of paradise, a plant that embodies the essence of the tropics. Known for its striking resemblance to a bird in flight, this plant is a true marvel of nature. Its sharp leaves and vibrant blooms are a testament to nature's artistry. The leaves are large, paddle-shaped, and provide a lush tropical feel to any garden. To cultivate this beauty, replicate its natural habitat with bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. This ensures the plant thrives and produces its iconic flowers. Water consistently, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's crucial to find the right balance. During the growing season, a balanced fertilizer will help produce stunning blooms. Fertilize every 2 weeks to ensure the plant gets the nutrients it needs. Like exotic birds, the orange and blue flowers emerge from their spathe, adding to their allure. These flowers can last for several weeks, providing a long-lasting display. Position your bird of paradise where it can receive ample light for a spectacular floral display. With the right care, this plant can be a stunning focal point in any garden or indoor space. Chapter 3: Ferns, an emerald embrace. We delve into the verdant world of ferns, their delicate fronds unfurling like ancient scrolls. These ancient plants thrive in humidity, reminiscent of the steamy rainforests they call home. Mist your ferns regularly or place them on a tray filled with pebbles and water. Tropical ferns prefer a light and airy mix that drains well. Remember, ferns are shade-loving plants, so avoid direct sunlight. Indoors or outdoors, tropical ferns add a touch of elegance and tranquility. Chapter 4: Hibiscus, a burst of tropical color. Prepare to be dazzled by the hibiscus, renowned for its vibrant blooms. These tropical beauties crave sunlight, so choose a location with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Watering is crucial, especially during hot summer months. A well-draining soil mix will help prevent root rot. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and more flowers. Imagine your garden transformed into a riot of color with hibiscus blooms in shades of red, pink, orange, and yellow. Chapter 5: The elegant orchid, a masterpiece of nature. Orchids have captivated humans for centuries with their intricate designs and vibrant colors. Our final destination brings us face to face with the orchid, the epitome of elegance. These flowers are not just beautiful. They are a symbol of love, luxury, and strength. While their beauty might seem intimidating, caring for orchids is less daunting than you think. With the right knowledge, anyone can cultivate these stunning plants. Orchids prefer a loose, airy potting medium that allows their roots to breathe. This is crucial for their health and growth. Bark chips, coconut husk, and perlite are excellent choices. These materials help to mimic the orchid's natural environment. Water your orchid when the roots turn silvery grey, allowing the potting mix to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can be detrimental to their health. Orchids prefer bright, indirect light, similar to their natural rainforest habitat. This light helps them to thrive and produce their stunning blooms. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent scorching their leaves. With proper care, your orchids will reward you with their breathtaking beauty. As our journey through the lush world of tropical plants ends, I hope you feel inspired to create your own slice of paradise. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and share your tropical plant successes in the comments. Until next time, happy gardening!